Good Tuesday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on outside around the region weather-wise. And you can see some showers and storms starting to make their way into the mountains of western North Carolina. And the big thing with these is a ton of lightning in them. Look at all that lightning spreading out across Tennessee, up into Kentucky, over into Missouri. I mean, just tons and tons of lightning. Ohio getting some of that lightning as well. And as these storms make their way into the county and the area later this afternoon and evening, that's going to be one of the big threats, is they could pose a severe weather threat from the frequent lightning that's going to be occurring with them. We can also see some damaging winds and potentially some hail from these storms. I can't rule out the possibility of an isolated tornado with these as well. And we'll talk more about the severe weather threat in just a moment. There are some severe thunderstorm warnings in this in with these storms right now as they're moving into the Nashville area. So we'll certainly continue to keep an eye on these storms as they make their way to the county, and they're riding ahead of this front here you see moving through. And that front will continue to push the storms off to the east and into the county by later this afternoon and evening. And we'll talk more about that in just a moment. Let's get back in closer to home real quick. And we'll go ahead and turn off all this data real fast and turn on the surface data and give you the temperatures around the area at the moment. And you can see it's kind of a mild start to the day, 64 degrees in Salisbury, mid to upper 60s around the county, depending on your location. There's some temperatures close to 70 in some areas. Louisville, right there at Winston-Salem at 68, Statesville at 68. It's even mild up in the mountains, really, to start the day off there. 57 degrees in Boone and 64 in Jefferson. And as crazy as that sounds, that's mild for those folks to get started for the day. So we'll go ahead and turn off the temperatures now. And let's take a look at the what the Storms Prediction Center is showing for the severe weather potential. And you see dark green here for us. There's a little bit of yellow on the far left side of the screen. That would be for the slight chance of severe weather. The dark green that you see most of the states in, really all of the state of North Carolina is in at this point, is a marginal risk for severe weather. I have a feeling we might see that get shifted to the east later today. A lot of that's going to depend on what happens as we go through the day-to-day and the instability of the atmosphere. But I wouldn't be surprised to see that yellow come maybe closer to us. It could even come over us with the darker green moving off to the east of us and maybe even to the south. We'll have to see how things play out as we go through the day. So let's go ahead and turn on the model data real quickly and show you what we're expecting, at least with the models. And this is at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And you can see some isolated showers in the county at the moment, but there is a line of what appears to be strong to severe thunderstorms moving through the mountains and the foothills. They're going to be around Hickory and Claremont. And you can see some purples showing up in this, and even some light blues, which would indicate that the cloud tops are going to be really high, and that increases the potential for hail coming with these storms as well. And you see some kinks in this line as well, which would indicate the fact that we could see some strong to damaging winds, and again, that frequent lightning that could occur as well. So let's take it hour by hour now. This is 4 p.m., and you can see the stronger storms are in basically in the Hickory, Claremont, just east or just west of Statesville, up in Lenoir, Taylorsville, down towards Cesar, Polkville. Those areas would be getting it. And let's take it to 5 p.m. now. And you see at 5 p.m., that line is now over the county, pretty much areas west of I-85. You're looking at Salisbury, Cleveland, Mount Ola, Coolamy, Atwell, Enochville, maybe even Kannapolis, seeing some strong storms, maybe even some severe storms by this point. 6 p.m. this evening, you see some embedded potential for strong to severe storms moving through after the line makes its way through areas like Salisbury, Rockwell, I'd say Granite Quarry, Spencer, Cleveland, Coolamy could be seeing some severe weather at this point as well. This is now 7 p.m. I'd say we're going to start to see most of the severe weather kind of start to taper off as we get down around sunset. It'll take some of the instability out of the atmosphere, and we could still see some moderate to heavy rainfall going on at this point. By 8 p.m., still looking at the potential for moderate to heavy rainfall going on around the county. By 9 p.m., things start to get a little bit isolated, and they will basically stay isolated as we head into the overnight hours before the rain finally starts to taper off. But certainly could be an active afternoon and evening around the county and the area, and we'll continue to keep an eye on it, keep you updated as we go through the day and into the afternoon. But certainly the severe weather threat is there again today, much like it was yesterday. We got lucky yesterday and it stayed off to our south into our southeast, and we'll see if we can ride that luck out again today to avoid severe weather around the county. But nonetheless, whatever happens, we'll keep you updated. Let's go ahead and take a quick break, get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We will come back and give you the weather impacts for today, the photo of the day, the pollen outlook, the mowing forecast, the mosquito forecast, and the 5-day forecast. All that's coming up right after the break.
Hi, this is Michelle Patterson. During these uncertain times, everything is changing constantly. We are working hard to adapt in any way that we can. We know many of you, unfortunately, will probably not be able to come out and visit our farm this season. So for the first time ever, Patterson Farm Market and Tours is offering a virtual tour experience. Here at the farm, we believe agricultural education is essential, and we strive to educate our community about how important agriculture is to our everyday lives.
Like all of our tours, each student will receive an activity book, a farm takeaway, as well as the materials needed to do a guided hands-on activity. We will deliver the students' kits to schools within a 25-mile radius. For schools further, there may be an additional fee. Our virtual tours will last approximately 1 hour. We are working on seasonal and non-seasonal virtual tours. This way, you will be able to virtually visit our farm year-round. If you are still able to come to the farm, we would love to have you. We are following all the current CDC guidelines, so we are limiting the amount of students per each tour. To book a virtual or on-site tour, check out our website at visitpattersonfarm.com. Virtual tour dates will be posted soon.
The weather impacts today, sponsored by Patterson Farm. You just saw all the details on the virtual tours during the break. For more information on booking your tour, visit pattersonfarm.com. We'll see partly sunny skies during the morning hours. Winds will be out of the southwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts as high as 20. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible this afternoon and evening. It's possible some could be strong to severe. Again, the main threats with those would be frequent lightning, damaging winds, and hail are the main threats. We can't rule out the chance of an isolated tornado, but it's more on the end of a lower risk at this point. The photo of the day comes to us from Jason Eschert. And speaking of tornadoes, Jason is a law enforcement officer over in the Oakboro area, and they had what appears to be a small tornado that touched down in Oakboro yesterday. And this is a photo of some of the damage over there. Thank you, Jason, for submitting this photo to us. And you can submit your photos to us for a chance to be selected as the photo of the day as well. Weather-related photos only, though, please. And you can submit those to us on Facebook and Twitter. You can also submit those to us by emailing them to Steve Monday at RowanCountyWeather.com. And you can email those to us as well that way. The Goodnight's Lawn Care Pollen Outlook. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seed, mulch, pine straw, all kinds of other services. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. These guys take care of my lawn, and I absolutely love it. The main pollen drivers right now are oak, hickory, and sycamore, and you can see we've got high levels of pollen in the atmosphere through the end of the week. The mowing forecast looking a little iffy for today and Wednesday, but as we head to Thursday, the rain chances really start to drop down to around 20%. So your better chance of getting it done would be on Thursday. So certainly take advantage of Thursday when it gets here. If your lawn is not too soaked from the rain we get over the next 2 days, including what we got yesterday. The spring fling on the farm, it's going on right now. It is canceled for today. The events have been canceled due to the potential for severe weather around the area. So those events have been canceled on the farm for today. But for more information on when you can plan a trip to head over to Patterson Farm for the spring fling on the farm, visit pattersonfarm.com/spring-fling-on-the-farm for all the details. The mosquito forecast shows medium levels of activity with the mosquitoes through Friday, and then Saturday we'll see a little bit of a break from them as the levels drop down to low with some cooler temperatures, putting them at bay for a few days. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. Today, we'll see partly sunny skies during the morning hours, 60% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon and evening. Some of those could be strong to severe, so stay weather aware today. On Wednesday, we'll see a 50% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Once again, high of 80, low of 50. Excuse me. On Thursday, partly sunny skies, high of 71. We'll see partly cloudy skies Thursday evening, low of 47. I do have a 20% chance of isolated showers in there on Thursday as we have a little bit of a last hurrah, if you will, with these rain chances that are moving through over the next couple of days. On Friday, sunny skies, high of 70, clear skies Friday evening, low of 46, and then by Saturday, we'll see sunny skies with a high of 74, mostly cloudy skies Saturday evening with a low of 55. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Tuesday. We'll continue to keep you updated throughout the day on the potential for severe weather this afternoon and evening. As always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.